Sudoku is a great way to train the thinking skills of first and second graders. Come and give it a try. For example, take a look at this problem. Each row, column, and diagonal should be filled with the numbers 1 to 5. So, what should we do when we encounter a Sudoku like this? We should start from the area with the most numbers. For example, in the first column, there's a 5, a 2, and a 3. So, which numbers are missing? 1 and 4 are missing. What does that mean? It means these two empty spots need to be filled with a 1 and a 4, but which goes where? You need to look at their positions. It might not be obvious at first, but if you look here, this spot can only be filled with either a 1 or a 4. However, there's a problem if we look at it horizontally. There's already a 4 here, so 4 is excluded from this spot. It can only be filled with a 1. Once you put a 1 here, the remaining 4 naturally goes in the other spot, right? If you didn't quite get that, let's look at it again horizontally. Here, the numbers 2, 3, and 4 are already present, so the only one left to fill is 1. We'll put 5 in this position. Look, there's already a 1 in the first column, so it can't be filled with 1. It can only be filled with 5. Then the remaining 1 goes here. Let's try again. 1, 5, 4. The remaining numbers are 2 and 3. How do we assign 2 and 3? Looking horizontally, there's already a 3 here, so it can't be 3. It can only be filled with 2, and here, it can only be 3. Using the same method, 1, 4, 3, the remaining numbers are 2 and 5. Is it 2 or 5? There's already a 2 above. It can't be used, so it can only be filled with 5, and 2 has to go here. When you get here, you'll notice there's a diagonal, 2, 3, 4, 5, with only a 1 left, so we fill it here. You can also look at this diagonal, 1, 2, 4, with 3 and 5 remaining. If we were to put a 3 here, wouldn't it inherently repeat with the left side? So in this specific position, it can only logically be 5, and consequently, here, we absolutely have to place 3. For all the remaining empty cells, we will diligently use the very same established method. 1, 3, 5, with 2 and 4 still left to be placed. Since there's already a prominent 2 here, we can only confidently put 4 and then 2. Let's carefully fill them in here. 2, 3, 4, 5, and in this particular spot, only one single digit is left. 1, 2, 4, 5, and right here. Here, only 3 is left. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and here only 5 is left. 1, 2, 5, 3. And here only 4 is left. All done. For kids in first and second grade, make sure to practice more.